Hello and welcome back to Natasha's Healthy Living. I'm up here in my office and I'm excited because I have the May Joyful Jordan box to share with you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. This is our monthly surprise box. It is a little box of awesomeness. You can subscribe to the box if you want, and when you subscribe, then your shipping is free, so you don't pay anything for shipping with the subscription. Of course, you can pause, cancel, stop, start, any of that. You can also change who the box ships to each month. So if you want to gift it to someone else, that's a possibility too. And the box is $30 each month. And this particular one for the month of May 2026 is valued at $44. It's guaranteed to be at least a $40 value on the box each month. So it's a great way to get a really good deal on some of our amazing products that are made right in Nixa, Missouri, and they're plant-based ingredients. This one in particular is kind of our annual bug away box. So we'll talk about what's in the box here. The card says sunshine, fresh air, and a little self-care. And each box will come with a card like this with a quote or something cute on the front. And then on the back, it's going to tell us about what's in the box. So if you're gifting this, it's great because the recipient will know exactly what they have and how to use it. And each box for the Joyful Jordan boxes, it's going to be an exclusive collection of products. Typically, there may be one or two items that are in our regular catalog, but they might be in a different scent, they might be in a different size, or all three, sometimes four products could be exclusive to the box only, and that's the only way to get that. So this is an example of that. We have three products in here, and every May, these products come out in a Joyful Jordan box, but you cannot get them in our regular catalog just shopping any time of the year. So this is your one chance a year to kind of stock up and grab these really good products so that you have them for the summer and sometimes even into the fall. So let's dive in. We're going to talk about the two sprays first. So this is our Bug Away spray, and it is a natural essential oil spray in a witch hazel base, and it's a DEET replacement or an alternative to DEET, because as we know, DEET is really not healthy for our skin. It's going to be something that you don't want to be using on your skin, or especially your kids' skin, because it can cause cancer. So instead, we use oil of lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint. So this is a blend that smells fresh. It's got that lemon and peppermint smell to it. And oil of lemon eucalyptus is a proven ingredient that keeps bugs away with the same effectiveness as DEET, but of course it's just a natural essential oil. So we have two sizes on the spray. There's a 4 ounce and a 1 ounce, which is great to throw in your purse or keep in the car if you want to make sure you always have it with you. And this is going to tell us a little bit about the spray. So, of course, the card says, sun, fun, and summer play the bug-free natural way. Enjoy the great outdoors without battling bugs like mosquitoes, flies, ants, and spiders. Oh my. Bug Away Spray. Bug Away Spray uses nature's own repellent of oil of lemon eucalyptus to deter insects without harmful toxins. It has a clean, fresh scent and is safe for kids and around pets too. How to use. You're going to spray directly onto skin and clothing or in the surrounding environment for a virtually bug-free time. And of course, we have the two sizes, so you have a grab and go. This 1 ounce size can be tucked in your purse, car, backpack, or for quick relief from pesky insects. It's even great to just drop it into the stroller and then you always have it with you. And what I like too is even for pets, what they recommend is just spray a little bit in your hands, kind of rub it on your hands, and then you can wipe it on the back part of your pet so it's not too close to their face, since most dogs and cats both have a higher sensitivity to smells, but it's going to be a great way to just keep them, bug free as you're going out and about on your walks. And then we have our skin relief stick. So this has lavender essential oil with green tea, aloe, seaweed, and chamomile, and it helps soothe and calm irritated skin. So in order to use this, I'm going to save this one because I want to gift this particular stick to someone, but let me get one from last year to show you how this works. So this was our one from last year, and actually I haven't used this one yet, but it's the same idea. It's a calming and soothing stick. So it has a beeswax base, so it's going to look like you're using a lip balm, but instead beeswax melts at body temperature. So as you use it, it's going to get soft and just spread onto your skin. So this is great to help with any scrapes, scratches, bug bites, things that have a little bit of irritation, then this can calm and soothe that. So it's going to be really nice to have your skin relief stick for the just in case, but you've got your bug away spray too. So I highly recommend, if you're getting this and wanting to try it out, get at least one at the beginning of May. And then just remember, these are no longer available after May 31st. So if you get your box and you start using it and love it, which I think you will, then you may want to stock up and grab a couple more boxes before May is over, so that you're ready to go through the summer and be stocked up on your really good products to help with outdoor fun and keep it safe and enjoyable without any harmful chemicals. So that's our Joyful Jordan box. Again, $30 for a $44 value on those 3 products. I will have everything linked down below. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, so I have my consultant link and shopping link down there that you can shop from, and I always appreciate when you do that. It really does help me and my family, and it's much appreciated. Okay, next let's talk about some of the other specials in the month of May. So every month we have a customer special. It's going to be one product that the company chooses, and if you spend $50, you can get that one product for $5, and it's always a good deal. So we have our Spritz Your Pits spray, which is our natural deodorant spray, and that's going to be our $5 customer special this month. So it's a 4-ounce bottle, comes in the witch hazel base, and then it has cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary essential oils, and those work to fight off bacteria, help with odor. They're just a great combination, and this is actually my personal favorite because I'm a woman of a certain age. Things that used to work great on my skin are problematic, and now this is the one and only deodorant I use. So it works great. I just spritz my pits in the morning, and then I keep a little travel size bottle with me if I need a refresher midday. And like I said, it just has aloe and witch hazel and then all those different essential oils. And this is a great one to try for $5. You can also just use this as a spray to help with germs in general. So I also use that small one that I keep in my purse on shopping carts when I'm out and about. You can use it in stinky gym shoes or gym bags. You can use it in backpacks or anywhere that's kind of got some funky smells going on. The combination of those 5 essential oils work together to really fight off bacteria, which is what can cause that smell, and just to help freshen things up and smell great. So that's a really good one. Don't forget, if you're shopping and you get to $50, when you go to the checkout process, it'll ask you if you want to add this for $5, and it's a great one to try out. Then we have a host special, and I have one of the 2 items that come in the host special. So to be a host, you can have a Facebook party, you can do a text party. I can set up a special one-page website where your friends can go and shop through that one link, and it's just a little like one-page post, and they can shop through there, and you're considered the host. Of course, you can have a party in your home and let people try things out in person too. However you host, you get the host special item when your party reaches at least $500, and there's a free price if you get to the $800 level on your party, and you get to try 2 of our great face care items. So one is the Hydra Glow Toner, which has the Phyto Essential Blend. It has magnesium, and it has bakuchiol, which is an essential oil that helps with anti-aging. Then you also get to try our Collagen Protect and Repair Eye Gels, or CPR. I don't have those on hand, but I'll show you a picture here. So you get those 2 great products to try out and kind of pamper yourself for being the host this month. And if you're interested in hosting, just leave me a comment down below and I'll get connected with you and we can set something up. You do not have to be near me. We can do it all virtually. And again, it's just a great way to try products and get some of these great things in your hand, because of course you get free and half-priced items as the host. Plus you get the extra host bonus product duo as part of your rewards for hosting. And then the final thing is, if you would like to join my team and become a Jordan Essentials consultant and have me to help support you and guide you, plus all the home office training and resources, when you join this month, you're going to get 2 things. So let me push this stuff aside a little bit and I'll grab one of the things you'll get. So when you join, you're going to get a kit, and this kit, as you can see, compared to my Joyful Jordan box, it's quite a bit larger. So this is our join kit. Besides all of these, you're going to get this cute pouch, and inside the pouch you'll have some catalogs and a little booklet to help you get started. So you've got catalogs you can be passing out to people if you want, and then you'll have products that you can try. So we have a whole collection of our face care line here. We have our best-selling magnesium peppermint lotion, some Helio, a lotion bar, lots of samples. So it's a really good deal. You get all these products when you join this month for $49.50. And then you also get all the resources online. Like I mentioned, you'll have your own website then so people can shop from you. And you can basically just try out what it's like to be a Jordy. For $10 a month is normally what you would pay for your website fee and all of the technology and support. And when you join, you get 3 months free. So you get 3 months just to try it out for free, see what you think without having to pay that $10 a month fee. And after that, you're going to just have that $10 a month and you still have all your benefits. Of course, when you're a consultant, you automatically get 25% commission on all of the sales that go through your website. So whether you're buying for yourself or people are shopping from you, you're going to get that 25% commission instantly in your e-wallet. You can use that on more products or you can just transfer it to your bank. So I love that we get paid right away. We don't have to wait to get paid. And you have all kinds of benefits and resources. There's support, there's community. It's just a lot of fun and a great way to get some of these healthy products in your home and try things out and work on swapping out some really good things for some of those not so good things that a lot of us have on our shelves. The other thing you get for the month of May is you get a $25 credit. So you can just shop through the website and pick out more product that you want to try out and use that $25 free product credit to build your kit and bring home even more goodies. So a lot of great things to check out for the month of May. I will have everything linked down below. And if you have questions, don't forget to just drop me a comment and I can go through and answer questions and help you however you need. But other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Have a good one and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.